Hey there, I'm Parth and this is day 9 of my 365-day challenge to level up my communication skills. Today, I'm with my friend Shantanu and I'm going to ask him some questions like as I am alien, what if some alien comes here and ask some question to humans. So,
Hello everyone, I'm Shantanu and I'm a student of B Pharma in HNB.
so the first question is what is love?
What is love? Love is something which it's basically a different type. Love is for your mother also, but yeah, love is for your mother. It's
So,
like
now what do you think about this? What
it's
is this?
it's attraction. I think from in my age group, it's like love is basically the attraction of two genders for basically yeah. Basically, this I would I answer this
Yeah.
question about the love is, but I
Okay,
don't
okay.
experience it because I I don't find any
Okay,
love.
okay, fine. And the other question is, I saw some people watching something on big screen, and some players playing with a bat and the ball, and people are enjoying too much. What is this thing?
This is what I can say the enjoying the sports. Basically,
What is sports?
what is sports? Basically, sports is something the players are engaging in the particular activity. Sports is basically a different type. Like sports, obviously there are physical activities or going to cricket, football, volleyball. These are
And
sports.
I saw this thing with some players playing with a bat and a ball.
Uh,
What is this?
and this is cricket.
This is cricket.
Uh,
You call this
in
cricket?
India, cricket is famous. Obviously, it's the most watching game ever, game sports or whatever you
Yeah.
call it. So yeah, so people are enjoying. Basically, India versus Pakistan are most watched game ever
And what
on
is
in
this
India.
Pakistan and India? What is this?
This is a rivalry, but because of this neighbor countries of our India,
I mean, this is a country. The country
Pakistan is a
name.
country.
Pakistan is a country. India is a country.
Yeah.
And I saw some people capturing something on a box-like thing with a lens. What is this thing?
Box-like thing in a lamp.
No, no. It has a lens, and they are capturing moments.
So basically a camera thing.
Is it camera?
Basically, it is in yeah,
It's camera.
yeah.
Okay.
What I think.
And you capture moment with this.
Yeah, we obviously humans obviously want to capture the moment which we most like and stay with them. So they basically capture in this box like what you called it. But I basically what I think is in the ancient thing. Sorry, in the this is an ancient camera.
Ancient camera. Oh, got it. And what do you play?
What do you play means what sports I
What do you
play.
like to play?
I like to play tennis. I like to play cricket, most often, and game like chess.
Okay, what is chess?
Chess is basically the two players are involving in the game of situation, which in the other person who have to checkmate the king. So basically, he
What is
win the
king?
game. King in chess.
Yes.
King in chess is basically the position of the game, in which the player wants to save the king,
No,
basically.
like what is the king? Like main thing is
King,
what is king?
acha,
How can you define king?
king is basically the whole kingdom. He operate the whole kingdoms,
Okay,
basically.
okay, got it. And why do you like to play chess?
Because it improve my cognitive abilities. It improve my way of thinking. The strategy I made, basically I it made my exercise in my mind exercising game. So I
So,
like the most
so the thing is, you like to play chess because
mind
it
game.
improves your ability to think
Yeah,
strategically
yeah,
and tactically. So
yes,
that's why you like to play chess.
yes.
Okay, okay. That's a wrap for today's video. And I'm on this 365-day challenge, and I would like to have you along with the ride in this ride. And If you have any random topic, comment below. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.